Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to save the spotlight images for your wallpapers on your Windows 11. So the spotlight images is only you can get on your Windows 11 settings personalization. As you can see guys, if you want to save these images on your PC, so how to do this? Now let's see. So for this guys, first you need to open your file explorer on your PC, and here in the file location, file path, you need to paste some file path. So this file path you can get in my video description box, so just you can use from there. Just copy as it is and paste it, okay, and hit enter from your keyboard. It will open these files as you can see guys. So this all file was spotlight images. Just you need to select this all files and just simply copy these images and go to your picture folder in the file explorer like this. And now here you need to create one new folder. For example, I have created and open that folder like this, and then open that folder and paste that all files here like this, okay. After pasting guys, now what you need to do, just right click on empty space on this folder and open the command prompt or Windows terminal from here like this. You don't need to close this folder, and here you need to copy and paste another command you can get in my video description box. Just copy as it is and paste it and hit enter after pasting, okay. So it will rename your all files on your folder. So in case the file was not renaming, just you need to rename it one by one. Just you need to give the extension .jpg or jpeg. Just after giving, hit enter from your keyboard. It will quickly show your files as you can see guys. Very simple, okay. If the command is not working on it on your PC, at that time you need to use this option. So this is the very easy and very simple method to save the spotlight images on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.